Hi, in this video I will tell you how you can connect with your Git account. For this purpose, first you will need to go to Git. Then you will download Git from this official website. I already have downloaded it. Then you will need to copy this code and you will replace this email. If you don't know what is your email of your Git account, then you will need to go to GitHub settings. Click on settings, then here you will find an option emails. Click on emails, then here you will be able to see your email of your GitHub account. Then you will replace it here. Let's now copy the code and we will git bash here and paste the whole code. Let's remove the $sign that is extra. Enter. Here it is asking to save the name of file. We will give the name cd, and where we want to save we will double dot to save the in folder where we are present. Then it is asking for passphrase. We will not we will left it empty. For that we will enter, and here we have created an our SSH key that will need to connect with our account. We will copy this key, not need to copy the email. We will only copy the SSH key. Then we will go to our GitHub account. Then here we will go to SSH and keys options. We will click on new SSH key. We will give the title. First let's copy paste the key and give the title. Add new SSH key, and it is added.